Here I have HUAWEI Mate 30 Pro, and let me show you how to enter here the upload mode, the update mode on the following device. So all you need to do right now is simply press power key, keep holding power, choose power off and touch power off to switch off your device. Let's wait a few seconds, and then you need to press power key again just to switch on your device, and then you need to release power, and after a logo pops up, HUAWEI logo or your vendor logo, you need to quickly press 3 times power key. So let me show you. Press power, the phone vibrates, release power, and now 3 times power key. Now you need to wait for the recovery mode. And as you can see, this is the recovery mode. Here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options, and let me choose here update mode. So this is the update mode. Here you can try to update your device by using memory card. You can use USB update mode, or you can select your recovery mode. If you would like to go back, let's tap on back, and to quit this mode, let's choose restart. Now let's wait a few seconds until you will be able to use your device in a normal mode. Excellent, now you can start using your phone. So everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.